Good day, everyone. Thanks for the big hug and 4 minutes. And today, we're talking about something super important, birth control. Hindi, bro. Birth control is for everyone. Kumayaw pang maging mommy or daddy, be ready. That's right. Birth control helps prevent unplanned pregnancy. And guess what? There are lots of options.
Gaya kang palang ayaw ka mo ito.
Condoms, pills, implants, injectables, you name it. Some last for months and some get take regularly.
So, bakit naman pala maging responsable?
Exactly. And most of those are free and low cost in health services. Whether you're